Today we're talking about 5 different things that you can do to activate your vagal tone. But what is your vagal tone? Your vagal tone is the activity of your vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is a cranial nerve that's located in your primitive brain that controls anything and everything that is unconscious. It's also responsible for carrying sensory information about touch, temperature, and pain, but it also receives sensory information from your internal organs like your heart, your esophagus, and your digestive tract. It's also a motor nerve, which means that it's going to control muscles, mainly the muscles of your throat, the superficial throat, the deep throat, your tongue, and it plays a critical role in the control of speaking and swallowing. One of the very first things that you can do to activate your vagal tone is cold therapy. Many studies are suggesting that being exposed to cold actually helps us improve our vagal tone. According to one study, when we are exposed to cold temperatures, our fight and flight declines and our rest and digest increases. So an easy way to get started by being exposed to cold temperatures is to start taking cold showers in the morning, anywhere between 1 to 3 minutes per day. Now, if you live in a country like I do, where it's winter 10 months out of 12, then you can also start by taking a dip in your pool as the temperature starts to decrease throughout the seasons. Also, learning to control your breath when you are exposed to cold temperature is another great way to stimulate your vagal tone, which leads us to my second tip, which is breath work. So when you inhale, you have a slight increase in your heartbeat, and when you exhale, you have a slight decrease in your heartbeat as well. Now, there are different breathing methods and different techniques out there to help bring oxygen to your body and to your muscle, but one great way to reset your primitive brain and activate your vagal tone is to inhale and exhale in the same equal amount of time quickly for approximately 30 times, and on the last exhale to hold your breath for as long as you can while performing an activity like push-ups or squats. When you feel the urge to breathe, take a quick and deep inhale and hold that breath. Continue performing the exercise until you can no longer take it anymore, and then fully inhale. Now, because you're using breath and movement and heart rate to circulate the blood in your body, you're actually having an effect on your vagal tone. So breath work really is one of the fastest and easiest ways that you can activate your vagus nerve. Deep and rhythmic breathing will help you calm your thoughts, slow your heart rate down, and regulate your autonomic nervous system. Tip number 3 is vibration. Whether this be accomplished through humming or singing, the vagus nerve is connected to your vocal cords and to the muscles of your throat. And what studies have shown is that vibration activates these muscles and increases heart rate variability, thus having an impact on the vagus nerve. Tip number 4 is meditation. In a 2016 study, 35 subjects were asked to practice mindfulness. The subjects showed higher levels of brain connectivity, lowered inflammation, indicating healthier vagal tone. And last but not least, fixing your posture. Having a well-balanced posture, a well-aligned structure will reduce inflammation in your body. It will reduce chronic stress from happening, and living a pain-free life does promote healthier vagal tone. Let me know in the comments below which tip worked best for you.